let's start. uh, so we are going to discuss on left outer join. So on the screen you can see there are two tables which I am going to take as an example to explain left outer join. The first table is sales order header table, which is my left table in this example, and the second table is sales order item table, which is the right table in my example. I have taken the same tables for inner join as well, so I am taking the same tables for the left outer join also to demonstrate how it works. So in these two tables we have some fields, like in the left table we have sales order number, description and sales order creation date, and in the right table, that is sales order item table, I have sales order number, quantity and amount. So in these two tables I have a common field called sales order number. With the help of these fields, this field, I am going to join these two tables. Okay. So if I join these two tables on sales order number with the left outer join, I get the result as you can see on the screen. So the result is this. So if I select 5 fields, sales order number, description, sales order creation date from the left table, quantity and amount from the right table, I get these 5 entries. Okay. So how I am getting 5 entries will come to know. So the first 2 entries, first and second sales order number. So the output of the left outer join upon selecting the 5 fields, sales order number, description, sales order creation date, quantity and amount, is this, which you are seeing on the screen. So we are getting the 5 entries in an output when we join the above two tables, sales order header table and sales order item table, on the field sales order number with the left outer join. So we are getting these 5 fields. Let's understand how we are getting these 5 fields. Okay. So first of all, in the left outer join, what it checks is, it checks the sales order numbers if they are present in both the tables. This is the first check. Since we are joining these two tables on the sales order number, that is the reason the check is happening on the sales order number. So the first check is, so it checks what orders are there in both the tables. So as you can see on the screen, we have 2 orders which are there in both the tables, that is sales order number 1 and sales order number 2. These 2 sales order numbers are there in both the tables, due to which these 2 orders are also displayed in the result output of a left outer join, as you can see, and the corresponding records for their respective fields are also displayed in the left outer joins output. This is first condition. There is one more condition which checks in the left outer join. The condition is, it checks the records or the sales order numbers, or it simply displays the sales order numbers from the left table even if it is not available in the right table. Okay. In our example, in the left table we have sales order number 3, 4 and 5. These 3 sales order numbers are not available in the right table. In spite of that, these 3 entries, these 3 sales orders are displayed in the result output. So this is the second check. The first check is the orders which are there in both the tables. So those orders are displayed in the output of the left outer join, and also it displays all the orders from the left table even if it does not appear in the right table. So these are the 2 checks which happens in the left outer join. So in the output you can see the records for sales order number 1, 2, because it is there in both the tables, and you can see the records for the sales order number 3, 4 and 5, because these 3 sales order numbers are there in the left table but not present in the right table. So this is the second condition. So for these 2 conditions, there are 5 sales orders which are matching, Because of that, we can see 5 sales order numbers in the result output of the left outer join. And the first two sales order number have the descriptions car, bike, and the sales order creation date, and we also have quantity and amount. But for the sales order numbers 3, 4, 5, we have only the description and sales order creation dates, but we don't have quantity and amount. As you can see in the right table, sales order item table, from where the quantity and amount has been taken in the result. So we do not have the quantity and amount for the sales order numbers 3, 4 and 5. So because of that, we get question mark or blank values in the result of the left outer join. So this is how the left outer join works. So I am going to go through the definitions what I have written, or the points what I have written, which also says the same thing. And after reading all those points, the concept of left outer join will be more clear and understandable. Okay, so let me read through the definition. Left outer join is used when we would like to select the set of records that matches in both the tables or both the result sets. This is the first condition. And also unmatched records of the left table. That is what we have discussed. Let's say we have the sales order number, sales order header table and sales order item table, and the tables are joined with the key field sales order number. Okay, so these are the two tables, input tables. And now if we apply the left outer join on these two tables with the joining key sales order number, then the result of the left outer join upon selecting the fields sales order number, description, sales order creation date, quantity and amount should be this. So the result of the left outer join is with 5 entries, and we know why there are 5 entries and why these 5 sales order numbers are displaying in the output. So as per the definition, so these are the 5 entries what we see in the left outer join. So let me read to the next points as well. All the primary key and foreign key values are checked and compared. If any of the values matches are found in both the tables, and also if any of the values of left table does not match or not found in the right table, again these two condition. Okay, then if the sales order falls in the above two scenarios, then the records are displayed in the output of the left outer join. Okay, so this is what we have understand from the explanation and from the examples. Again in the above okay, in the above example, sales order number 1 and 2 are found in both the tables. That is the reason it comes in the output. And sales order number 3, 4 and 5 are found in the left table and does not match in the right table. So these 5 entries are displayed, and the orders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are displayed in the result output. That's what it is. So the other orders, so the other orders 6 and 7 are found in the right table only, but not in the left table. Sorry, the other sales order numbers are found in the right table but not found in the left table. So because of that, these two orders are not displayed in the result output. So here it should be some correction, that it should come as a left table. So let me do it right away. So yeah, so here there is a correction called left table. So if the sales order numbers 6 and 7 are found in the right table but not in the left table, so for this condition the records are excluded from the result output. So that is what it is. So so now let's come to the SQL script of the left outer join. So here I have written the inner join, so just need some correction here, so I'll do it. So you can see on the screen the syntax of the left outer join. So it is same as the syntax of the inner join. The only difference is we need to use the keyword left join for the left outer join. So the syntax is straightforward. Okay, so we need to select the fields from both the tables each field is defined with its table name, and all the fields are separated with a comma. Okay, all the fields are separated with a comma, and once all the fields are defined, we use a keyword called from, the schema name dot table name, the left table name, and use the keyword left join, which does operate a left outer join, and write the right table name, which is specified with the schema name. On is a keyword which is used to join two table on some field, some primary key foreign key field. So on, the primary key field name from the left table equal to right table dot primary key field name of the right table, foreign key field name of the right table. So this is how the syntax is. It's very straightforward. You can just go through once with the you can just go through once with the syntax and the example. So after that, I have also given a screenshot of GUI based calculation view. So here I have used two projection, in which in projection, first projection I have a sales order header table, in the second projection I have sales order item table. So I am joining these two projection with a left outer join and using aggregation on top of the join, and semantics is the top node. Okay, so this is the demonstration of the left outer join in the graphical based CV as well. So if you have any questions, you can post it in the comments. So this is the explanation what I have for the left outer join. Hope it is clear. So I'll be also sharing this document in the comment in the description link, so you can use the documentation for understanding. So hope this video is useful for you, and I'll come up with some other videos on other joins which are used in HANA to design HANA views or HANA models. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.